Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Today I want to show you guys a few of the hair products that I use to keep my hair healthy. Also just some of the day-to-day things that I think have really helped in the health of my hair. These are some photos of my hair a few years ago, and as you can tell, you might not be able to tell, but I can tell, it was very dry and brittle, was constantly breaking off, and also just extremely hard to style because it was so dead. But since then, I have restored my hair back to health, and I am going to show you guys how I did that. So first off, I wanted to go over a little bit of my hair history and what I ask for in the salon. So I am naturally a blonde, but my natural hair color is more like my eyebrow and my root color. It's like right on the edge of being a brunette. So at the salon, I get a full head of highlights with a shadow root clearly, just to keep it low maintenance. I used to be like fully this color, but you just have to really upkeep that a lot. And also, weirdly enough, I think it looks less natural. My hairstylist is really amazing, and I will actually leave her Instagram below. Her Instagram name is literally The Blonde Specialist, and if you're in the Pittsburgh area, she's amazing. I would recommend her to anybody. So I want to show you some of the products that are currently in my hair care routine. I tend to be a creature of habit, and when I find something I like, I tend to stick to it. For my shampoo and conditioner, I actually rotate between the Redken All Soft line, which I super like, and then I will also use the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. I don't use this as often. I don't know why. I don't love it as much as the Redken. I also use the Color Extend Blondage Purple shampoo. I only use purple shampoo about once a month. Like I said, I like to have a warmer blonde color and not so ashy. Also heard horror stories about purple shampoo turning your hair completely purple or completely gray. I don't want to make that mess for my hairstylist. After I wash my hair, I use this is my second bottle, by the way. I also use the Way Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff smells amazing, and it also leaves my hair super soft and really manageable to comb through and later blow dry. It's pricey, but it's definitely worth it in my opinion. In the winter months especially, I've also been using the Olaplex number 7 bonding. This stuff is really great. I normally put it through my already dried hair. It smells amazing. It smells like oranges. It's probably my favorite Olaplex product. And then when I style my hair, my final step is the Chi Heat Protectant. Really good. I've been using it for years. So now I have some tips and tricks for you that I think have really helped me. I'm not going to tell you to drink water or take these special vitamins, but some things that I think have made a really big difference for me. So I'm going to be referencing off my phone, but I wrote a few things down that I think have really made a big difference. Number 1, and you guys are going to roll your eyes at this one, but it is to wash your hair as little as possible. I'm sure you've all heard it before, like 1 to 2 times a week. Because I am blonde, and if you're watching this, you are also probably blonde, or maybe you want to become blonde, or maybe you're going platinum. I find my hair to be on the drier side just because it is bleached and slightly damaged. I wash my hair, I try to do it once a week. Sometimes if I have a really crazy week or I go to the gym a ton, I will wash it twice a week. I will shampoo twice just to make sure I get all of the product out. I also have been using this thing in the shower as well, this little hair scalp massage shampoo brush. You can get them on Amazon. I don't know if it does anything, but it definitely feels good. Number 2 is keeping your hair in a braid or another protective hairstyle when you sleep. Sometimes I'm too lazy to braid my hair, but I will at least keep it up so that it's not rubbing together all night, just creating friction. Sleeping with a silk pillowcase is also great. My number 3 tip is to get regular trims. I know nobody wants to hear this, especially if you are trying to grow your hair out. You think, why am I cutting it off? But if you don't cut off those dead ends, I promise they will break up even higher and it will just look really bad. I remember when I used to get haircuts twice a year, my hair was so hard to style. It was so dry and dead looking. I go to the salon about every 12 weeks, maybe 4 times a year. I get my color touched up, and I also get a little trim, maybe a centimeter. If you go to the right hairstylist and keep your hair healthy, then it should be no problem to just get a little amount cut off. If you also hear my cat snoring in the background, I am literally so sorry. The fourth and final tip that I have is to not overdo heat. This is probably the one that has made the biggest difference in my hair. I try and style my hair once a week maybe, and then work from that. So I will blow dry it, I will curl it, and then that style will normally last me at least a few days, and then I will rock like a messy bun or a ponytail, or it will just fall to really loose curls. I remember I used to, like in high school and in college, I would straighten or curl my hair every day. I would just curl on top of the current style or straighten it out, and I remember my hair being so fried and it was probably screaming for help. I do not do that anymore. That is all I have for you guys today. When it comes down to it, so much of how strong or thick or long your hair is comes down to genetics. These are just a few of things I did to help me along my healthy hair journey. I hope you were able to take something helpful from this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.